This is the solution video for section 7.2, problem number 21. All right, so this is another graphical problem. So we're evaluating the integral from -3 to 3 of 4 plus the square root of 9 minus x squared. All right, so first of all, I've got the integral of one thing plus another thing, so it would be nice to separate. So integral from -3 to 3 of 4 with respect to x plus the integral from -3 to 3 of the square root of 9 minus x squared with respect to x. Now, remember, we are evaluating this graphically, all right? So what is the integral from -3 to 3 of 4? Remember, this is not 4, so we want to think, all right, what is y equals 4? It is a horizontal line, right? So we're finding the area from -3 to +3 underneath y equals 4. So realize it is 6 units wide, 4 units tall, so that area is actually 24. Plus, all right, the next one, square root of 9 minus x squared. Well, you may recall that if I have y equals the square root of 9 minus x squared, okay, we need to remember that if I square both sides, I get y squared equals 9 minus x squared, and if I add x squared, I get x squared plus y squared equals 9. So you should realize that this is a circle centered at 0, 0 with a radius of 3. So if I draw a graph of that, right, we get a full circle. But remember, when I solved for y, I only had the positive square root, not the negative square root. So it's actually a semicircle of radius 3, so -3 to +3. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for the area of this semicircle. So the radius is 3, right? So we know the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared, right? So pi times 3 squared, but remember we only have half of the circle, so we'd have to divide it by 2. So 24 plus 9 halves pi. So that would be the value of that integral.